Apple Incorporated, which runs Apple's iOS. The first iPad was released on April 3, 2010. The most recent iPad models, the iPad Air and second-generation iPad mini, were revealed on October 22, 2013 and went on sale November 1, 2013, and November 12, 2013, respectively. The user interface is built around the device's multi-touch screen, including a virtual keyboard. The iPad has built-in Wi-Fi and, on some models, cellular connectivity. There have been over 170 million iPads sold since its release in 2010. An iPad can shoot video, take photos, play music, and perform internet functions such as web browsing and emailing. Other functions, games, reference, GPS navigation, social networking, etc., can be enabled by downloading and installing apps. As of October 2013, the App Store has more than 475,000 native apps by Apple and third parties. There have been 5 versions of the iPad. The first generation established design precedents, such as the 9.7-inch screen size and button placement, that have persisted through all models. The iPad 2 added a dual-core Apple A5 processor and VGA front-facing and 720p rear-facing cameras designed for FaceTime video calling. The third generation added a Retina display, the new Apple A5X processor with a quad-core graphics processor, a 5-megapixel camera, HD 1080p video recording, voice dictation, and 4G. The fourth generation added the Apple A6X processor and replaces the 30-pin connector with an all-digital Lightning connector. The iPad Air added the Apple A7 processor, the Apple M7 motion coprocessor and reduced the form factor for the first time since the iPad 2. iOS 5.1 added Siri to the third and fourth generations and the iPad mini. There have been 2 versions of the iPad mini. The first generation features a reduced screen size of 7.9 inches and features similar internal specifications as the iPad 2. It also uses the Lightning connector. The second generation features the Retina display, the Apple A7 processor and the Apple M7 motion coprocessor, matching the internal specifications of the iPad Air. History. Apple co-founder Steve Jobs said in a 1983 speech that Apple's strategy is really simple. What we want to do is we want to put an incredibly great computer in a book that you can carry around with you and learn how to use in 20 minutes, and we really want to do it with a radio link in it so you don't have to hook up to anything and you're in communication with all of these large databases and other computers. Apple's first tablet computer was the Newton MessagePad 100, introduced in 1993, which led to the creation of the ARM6 processor core with Acorn computers.